Hello friends, today I have come with a new project of crochet, and today we will make a butterfly. To begin, let's make a slip knot, and we will make 6 chain. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6, and let's make a slip knot to the first chain and we will make our loop. Next we will make 3 half double crochet. 1, 2 and 3, and we will also try to hide the tail, and take 3 chain and make another 3 half double crochet. We will repeat this process 3 other times. Three chain and then 3 half double crochet. And after the last 3 chain, we will connect it to the first chain that we had made. Like so, and now we have a square ready. We will take 1 chain, turn your work, and in the first loop we will make 2 half double crochet, we will make 1 double crochet, we will make 1 triple crochet, and then take 2 chain and connect it back to the last chain of the triple crochet. We will mirror and make 1 double crochet, then we will make 2 half double crochet. In the middle we will make a slip chain, and next we will make 2 half double crochet, and 2 double crochet, and then 2 half double crochet. We will make a slip chain into the middle 3 chain that we had made, and we will repeat the process of 2 half double crochet, then 2 double crochet, and then 2 half double crochet. That will make our third wing ready. We will make a slip chain into the middle, half double crochet, and the fourth and final wing we will make 2 half double crochet, one double crochet, one triple crochet, make 2 chain and connect it back to the last chain of the triple crochet, and then 1 double crochet, and then finish it with 2 half double crochet. As you see, our butterfly is ready, and the final I have made a slip chain into the middle half double crochet. I'm going to cut the end and make a knot. And with the remaining thread, I'm going to finish my butterfly. Just pull the end like so and make a knot. And there you go, our butterfly is now ready. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.